What's up, everyone? We are almost 20 weeks out from the 2021 Mr. Olympia competition. I'm here with a front runner in the 212 category, Derek Lunsford. What's up, Derek?
What's going on? It's first time. I'm excited, man.
First time we're getting ready to train together. We're gonna do chest. We're here in the Big D. The Big D is Dallas, Destination Dallas. So thank you for Michael for allowing us to use your gym so that we can get a great chest workout in. This is the first workout in person. We've been working together all year long, but we haven't been able to see each other. So I wanna say thank you to all of you that have been following me through the Truth Podcast, because I haven't been able to give you that content that you crave, that training content. But now things are starting to open back up and I'm getting back out. And so first thing I wanted to do is call my boy here so that we can get together, because he wants to come in and bring a presence that he's never brought before. You know, who's your favorite bodybuilder?
Well, I'd have to say I admired probably Jay the most coming up, you know. Jay Cutler, he was a huge inspiration for me.
Okay.
And in the 212, I would say, you know, my early rival Flex Lewis.
That's right, Flex Lewis, who has 7 Olympias as well.
Yeah.
And I know you also like the gifted one.
Absolutely, no question.
Yes.
Yeah, he was definitely a huge inspiration for me as well, you know, starting bodybuilding.
So you guys, fans, I want you guys to all tell me what new nickname we got to give Derek, because he does not have a nickname. They'll call me the O-Creator, the Procreator, the, you know, you know, whatever, but we need to get him one. I have several, he doesn't have one yet. So in the comments below, you guys are watching this, let us know what his nickname should be. But we're gonna get ready to hammer chest. And for those of you that keep asking about EVP Extreme, it is live, the new flavor, raspberry lemonade. It's amazing. It comes in both 3D as well as the Extreme. So it comes in the new shiny black bottle. And why did we do that? Because that's all we had to put it in. So it was either that or you bring your shopping cart or your shopping bag, and we were gonna give you scoops in your bag. But this was, honestly, with the pandemic going on, that's what we had. There was a couple different choices, but I'm a Darth Vader guy myself, so we went all black. So we'll do that. And guys, thank you so much once again for all the support, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube as well. So let's go kill it. All right, guys, we're getting ready to do upper chest. We want to always start off with upper chest because that's where you have maximum weakness 90% of the time. So we want to make sure to really fill in that shelf right underneath the collarbone. Chin up, stretch down a little further. There you go. Good. All the way. Good. Push your lats out when you push up. There you go. Good. You see that? Right here? Push. Good. Push those lats out. There you go. Good. Push those lats out. There you go. Good. Go down. Breathe. Don't hold your breath. Good job. How's that weight?
It's good. Light. Yeah. Good warm up.
You want another one like that, or you want to put a quarter on?
A quarter.
Good. Good. Slow down. Go down a little deeper. You gotta go deeper. Good. Arch your back more. Arch your back. There you go. Good. And push those lats out. That's it. Good. Push. There you go. Slow, 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 slow. One more. Good job. Oh, wait.
Feels good. It's a little bit different positioning. After you like cued me, you know, so it felt a lot better when you said flare lats, arches.
Yeah. You get an arch.
Yeah.
And then when you're pushing, flare your lats out as you're pushing.
Yeah. Those little cues made a lot of difference. Yeah.
All right, so what we're seeing is he's going a little too fast. We gotta slow it down, and we gotta keep his back arched so he keeps that emphasis on the chest and not on the shoulders. Good, nice and slow. Now go up, now go down slow, 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 slow. Drive, go, slow down. You see how you're starting to go back to your old way. Slow, slow. Good, slow, 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 slow. Up, slow, slow. One more. Good job. Good. Yeah, so when you're starting to fatigue, what you do is you start to just count reps.
Yeah.
Stop counting reps and start making reps count. Do not focus on just being able to go through the motion. Make sure it's about the tension on the muscle. I'm gonna have you do the FST-7 flex set. So right after you're done, right into the most muscular, I want you to hold it for 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. I'll count you down. 10-second hold. Okay, good. Need 2 more like that. 1. Slow. Good. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. 1 more. Good job. You got 13 seconds tight. Arch your back more. Your shoulders are too far forward. Put your shoulders back. There you go. Squeeze. Harder. Now go into a crab nose muscular. Go breathe. Squeeze. Hold it. One forward more. Squeeze. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. All right, guys, we just did the incline presses on the machine. We also did some FST-7 static reps, which basically means that you're flexing. Those flex sets are amazing to keep more time under tension. That's why I have all my athletes squeeze after those sets, because we're gonna get more time under tension, which is gonna make more gains, because we're gonna get more, what? Muscle breakdown. If you break it down more, then you're going to be able to build it back up, and then you're going to be able to see the difference between what you used to look like and the improvements you're going to be able to get from these types of exercises. Okay. Up. Here. Touch. Now out. Now hug the tree. Big barrel hug. Good. With the feet. Good. Right there. Good. Keep the hands a little bit right there. Good. Chin up. Good. Come on. Good. Right. Breathe. Good. Good class. Arch your back. Good. 2 more. Good. Good form. One more. Good job. Relax out. Side chest. Set your legs first. Then go down and do tricep. Okay? Not tricep. All right, so what I'm starting to see is that his arch is really off. We got to get that arch so we can focus on that chest and less on the shoulders. So to get that 3-dimensional chest, you got to get those pecs to push, and you got to deactivate the shoulders. Focus. Good. Wait. Now keep your hands together on the very top. Go. And now do a press from inside. Good. Good. Squeeze. 3 more. reason why I'm doing wide press is because he's used to doing so much inside. So we're doing more on the narrower side, but I want him to get comfortable with stretching and being out and being wide. So that's why we're doing a wide press on this hammer strength. Good, partial. Go.
Muscular, bringing my chest out further than my that. So normally I'm out here.
Yeah, you're pushing everything with your shoulders. You gotta, like, when you're squeezing, you gotta really make sure that you get more time under tension with your pecs. So instead of bringing your shoulders forward and flexing your delts, what you gotta do is you gotta bring your shoulders back a little bit and squeeze with your pecs. Squeeze with your chest.
Makes sense.
Down. Hold it right there. Hold it. Come on. Good. Up. One more. Up. Good. Down slowly. Good job. That's it. You can still stay wide. Don't go narrow. Get your shoulders wide. Get your lats out. Is that tight? There you go. Feel that? You want this because what you're trying to do, this is not how you're going to do it on stage. This is how you're doing it after your sets to try to get more of that time under tension. Okay? So don't get it twisted. There's a difference.
All right.
Good. Squeeze. To my hand. There you go. Good. Come on. Squeeze. Good. Come on. One more. Good job. Raise the weight and then for the next set. Going. One more. Squeeze. Come on. Good. Punch my hand. Good. One more. Up higher. One more. Good. Push up. 10 push-ups. Let's go. Push. Slow down. Good. Come on. 3 more. 1, 2. Good job. That's it. Good. Now what does that tell us? That tells us that he's not going heavy enough on the actual exercises because he still wasn't even coming to failure when he was doing practically a tricep. We're doing flies, then we went into a press, then we went into a push-up. He didn't even come to failure on the push-up. So we're going to take about a 60-second rest, and then we're going to go ahead and go heavy. So that's the key. Always know, never cop out. Know when you could actually push your body even further. Never let up on it, always push harder. Just up. Good. Down low. Go forward. One more. Good. One press. Good. Come on. 2 more. One more. Good job. Good. Now you're working a little bit. Let's go, push up, let's go.
Good. 5. Slow, slow.
Good.
Come on, you got this. Keep going. Good. Good, squeeze that chest. Keep on. Keep going. Come on, Mr. Two-Scoop guy. Come on. Keep going, few more. One more. Good job.
All right, guys, we just got done training. How do you feel, brother?
Pumped.
Yeah,
it was
you got
good workout,
super full, and it was great because again, we didn't go super crazy. What we were trying to do is we were trying to work on his biomechanics, and what we were trying to do is make those small adjustments that are going to go a long way in the next 5 months. And what were those adjustments? Keeping those shoulders back, chest forward, pushing with the pecs instead of the shoulders, making sure to keep his chin up so he can get maximum flexion and maximum range of motion when he goes all the way up and he starts to really extend on those incline presses. And obviously it was about trying to get his form down on every single exercise as well. So again, man, it was great seeing you. It was the first workout we've had together. You've made already amazing improvements since we started together, but this is just going to help refine and define you even further.
Yeah, I'm thankful you came out, man. I know you said you had like 1 hour of sleep last night.
I had literally less than an hour of sleep last night.
And he's still in here helping me get better, so I really appreciate that, man.
Absolutely.
Can't thank you enough, man. It's just the beginning of something awesome.
I'm looking forward to it. And tomorrow, legs. We are going to be doing legs. So as long, too bad we don't have Andre. We should call Andre.
Oh, where's he at?
Yeah, I think he's in California trying to do some legs. But we could definitely got to get you guys together to be able to do that. So you want to do your legs are getting a little bit better since the workouts. So, you know, a little bit. Let's give them a little show. Just we're gonna give a little taste of what the legs are looking like right now. There you go. Awesome. So we're going to try to get them even wider, more separated. That's what we're looking to do. And you make sure you follow the Evogen channel. We're going to be able to document the whole thing all the way to the Olympia. So again, Hany Rambod, Derek Lunsford, and we're out.